Hardhat is a development environment to compile, deploy, test, and debug smart contracts. Hardhat is a smart contract development framework that has grown in popularity in the last few months. It has a very easy to use framework, and there is a whole ecosystem that includes plugins, and in my personal opinion is one of the best smart contract development frameworks that exist nowadays. Some of the Hardhat features include scripts, tasks, plugins, TypeScript integration, static typing, debugger, and so on. We will cover in more detail each of these features, but for the moment, keep in mind all these Hardhat capabilities.